Well, this one's gonna be over with pretty quick, but I know that y'all love to watch arrest videos.
Me, man. Try me.
Hey, take that light off.
Try me.
Take that light off my face.
Try me. Look where it's at, you dummy. Look.
It's in the floor, bro.
Look.
Floor.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You're such an idiot, man. You're such an idiot, man. You're such an idiot, man. Look.
The light's on the floor, bro.
What are you doing?
I'm far from a genius, but I'm gonna go with these arresting you.
What are you
I
doing?
told you take the light
The
off my
light's on
back.
the
How's it on your
You're
face,
doing it
man?
for nothing, man.
How's it on your
You're doing it
face,
for
man?
nothing, bro. Come on, man. You're doing it for nothing, bro. Crazy. Come on, bro. Bonilla wasn't nowhere near your face on camera. Damn. Bonilla, ¿serio? ¿Serio, Bonilla? Sorry, man.
Evidence for what?
This one right here?
Evidence for what, man?
Want me to hold that, sir?
Yeah, go ahead, hold it.
Well, what have we learned, ladies and gentlemen? That's right. Don't shine lights in officers' faces. Also, it doesn't pay to be a jackwagon with a camera, throwing your lens in where it don't belong.
Jesus said, whosoever therefore shall confess me before men, him will I confess before my Father which is in heaven.